Hello, my name is Ed Grasso from Senior Bathroom Aids. Microwave ovens started in 1955. They were as big as an oven and they cost over $1,250. Today they have changed remarkably and suit seniors very well. They are smaller, less expensive, have more function, and more importantly for seniors, more safety features. There are over 521 models, a daunting task. Our review covers the most popular, not because of popularity's sake, but because they are the most tested for you. We also discuss the dominant pros and cons for you as well. Maybe the big differentiator for microwave ovens is aesthetics. Does it fit on your counter? Does it match your other appliance? Is it the right color? Click on check prices and you'll find one that fits your aesthetics. Remember, you're always welcome to have a comment if we can help at all. During these crazy times, please be safe.